So you got yourself a better built transfer tank. Excellent! Let's get this bad boy mounted so it's safe when you hit the road. First, check your hardware kit to ensure everything is accounted for. You can refer to the included kit component list. Now grab a friend or two and have them help you lift and place the tank on your truck bed in the desired location. Make sure it's not rubbing on the edges of the cargo bed. Once in place, mark the location of the 4 mounting holes in the mounting feet where desired. Now find your friends again and remove the tank before you start drilling holes. Yep, we're drilling holes. A word of caution, make sure the area is free of fuel lines, brake lines, and wiring. If you're not sure, consult a professional. Ready? Drill 4 9/16" holes in the previously marked locations. Return the tank to the predetermined location, with the help of your friends, of course. Next, from the top, insert your 4 mounting studs into the newly drilled holes with the truck bed side markings face down. Now, from below the truck bed, secure the mounting studs by attaching a fender washer and nylock nut onto each one. Return the tank to the predetermined location by fitting its mounting feet over the secured mounting studs. From the top, attach a bushing, a fender washer, and nylock nut onto each mounting stud. Tighten down, and your better built transfer tank is now safe and secure for use and transport.